kids! Today I'm gonna tell you a story called The Clever Newcomer. It's all about how sometimes pretending to be innocent can help you learn a lot. But remember, there's always a lesson to be learned. Once upon a time, in a bustling town, there was a new kid named Mia. Mia just moved to town and didn't know anyone or anything about her new school, so she decided to come up with a plan. She'd pretend she was super innocent and clueless. When Mia got to school, she acted like she didn't know how to do even the simplest things. "Can someone show me how to tie my shoes?" she asked. And guess what? Everyone wanted to help. Mia learned how to draw better from the art club, how to play soccer from the sports team, and even some cool science tricks from the science club. She made a ton of friends, and everyone thought she was the sweetest, most innocent kid ever. But one day, Mia's best friend Sarah found out Mia was actually really smart and knew a lot already. Sarah was upset. "Why did you pretend to be so clueless, Mia?" she asked. Mia felt bad and explained, "I just wanted to learn and make friends. I thought if I acted super innocent, people would help me." Sarah thought for a moment and said, "Well, it's okay to ask for help, but you should be honest about who you are." Mia realized Sarah was right. From then on, Mia was herself, smart and curious. She still asked for help but always told the truth. And guess what? She kept all her friends and kept learning even more. So kids, the lesson here is, it's okay to ask for help and be curious. But always be honest about who you are. You never know. People might like the real you even more. The end. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome stories.